This new EV motor will become the god of electric cars. With the arrival of a revolutionary electric vehicle EV motor, the automobile industry is poised for a significant upheaval. With its potential to revolutionize the field of electric transportation, this cutting-edge technology promises to improve performance, efficiency, and sustainability. These are 7 strong arguments for why this new EV motor has the potential to become the god of electric vehicles. Number 7. Revolutionary technology. With this groundbreaking compressed air engine, General Motors GM is spearheading a revolutionary change in the automobile sector. By using compressed air as a power source, this engine fundamentally challenges the established theories around vehicle propulsion. GM's compressed air engine offers a potentially more sustainable alternative to conventional electric vehicle, which rely on bulky lithium-ion batteries that are not only expensive but also pose environmental difficulties during the mining, production, and disposal processes. Using this technology, air is compressed inside a tank and then released to power pistons that generate motion. Because it does away with the necessity for large battery systems, this design improves overall performance and economy and permits a smaller vehicle chassis. Furthermore, the compressed air mechanism's ease of use may eventually result in cheaper production costs and less maintenance requirements. Since GM is at the forefront of this technology, it creates opportunities for a new class of vehicles that are accessible to a wider audience and are both economical and efficient. This innovative strategy has the potential to upend consumer expectations about the sustainability and performance of vehicles, thereby undermining the conventional powertrain's long-standing hegemony. Number 6. Zero emissions. GM's compressed air engine has the ability to produce zero emissions, which is especially noteworthy given the current climate of increased environmental consciousness and regulatory scrutiny. There is a pressing need for solutions that do not exacerbate the serious air quality problems and rising greenhouse gas emissions that urban regions throughout the world are facing. GM's compressed air engine is an environmentally friendly alternative that readily integrates with global sustainability initiatives targeted at lowering carbon footprints because it functions without emitting hazardous exhaust gases. This zero-emission capability not only satisfies strict legal standards but also strikes a deep chord with an increasing number of environmentally concerned consumers who place a high value on sustainability when making purchases. Additionally, manufacturers that can provide such technologies will have a competitive advantage in the market as governments throughout the world impose harsher emissions restrictions and provide incentives for the adoption of zero-emission vehicles. GM can improve its brand image and make a positive impact on global efforts to reduce climate change and create healthier urban settings by establishing itself as a pioneer in zero-emission technologies. Number 5. Enhanced safety. When designing an automobile, safety is of utmost importance. GM's compressed air engine tackles this pressing issue by putting passenger safety first through creative engineering solutions. Due to the volatile nature of gasoline and diesel fuels, traditional vehicles frequently use high-pressure fuel tanks which can present serious risks during accidents such as explosions or fires. By comparison, the compressed air system runs at much lower pressure levels than traditional fuel systems, which considerably lowers the possibility of catastrophic breakdowns in accident circumstances. The lack of flammable liquids complements this built-in safety element, significantly reducing the danger of fire hazards associated with standard fuel systems. Furthermore, GM's dedication to safety goes beyond only developing safe engines. It also includes designing cars with cutting-edge materials and strong structural integrity to safeguard passengers in a variety of accident situations. Crash testing, for example, may show how well these cars tolerate collisions without endangering the safety of the occupants. Global safety requirements are constantly changing and getting stricter, so GM's emphasis on making driving safer might create new standards for the sector and have an impact on all automakers' future designs. Number 4. Faster development. GM's ability to develop its compressed air engine technology faster than other developing technologies in the automobile industry is one of its strategic advantages. The business can speed up the testing and development of new concepts without having to start from scratch by utilizing its vast experience in automotive engineering and production procedures. This flexibility is especially important in a sector where consumer expectations are always changing and technology is developing at a rapid pace. The ability to adjust swiftly can be the difference between dominating the market and slipping behind less innovative competitors. Compared to rivals who might be investigating completely new technologies or encountering bureaucratic roadblocks in their development processes, GM is able to deliver its innovative vehicles to market more rapidly by optimizing supply chains and existing infrastructure to streamline development timelines. Furthermore, because of its speed, GM is better able to take advantage of new trends and customer feedback, keeping its products competitive and relevant in a market where consumer tastes are always changing. Number 3. Historical significance. The resurgence of compressed air technology bears significant historical implications dating back to its initial uses in the 19th century for powering mining locomotives and trams. Compressed air technology was formerly thought to be a viable alternative power source in the days of steam engines. However, as internal combustion engines became more and more popular, compressed air technology lost favor. But with the negative effects of fossil fuel dependency on modern society mounting, from the effects of climate change to geopolitical conflicts over oil resources, there is a renewed interest in investigating cleaner energy sources, like compressed air, that do not compromise on convenience or performance. GM's reintroduction of this concept illustrates how lessons learned from previous uses may inform future advances and reflects a broader trend within the automobile industry to explore earlier breakthroughs that can be modified for present issues. GM is demonstrating that innovation frequently occurs at the nexus of history and modernity by fusing these historical insights with state-of-the-art technical techniques in the present. This is opening the door for a future in which novel solutions to pressing issues can be found by repurposing ancient concepts. Number 2. Market disruption. GM's compressed air engine launch has important ramifications for market disruption in the auto industry. Traditional internal combustion vehicles are becoming less popular as customer preferences shift more and more towards sustainability and environmental friendliness, and as awareness of pollution and climate change increases. Companies in the car industry need to adjust or face obsolescence at this critical juncture, as customers are actively seeking alternatives that reflect their ideals regarding environmental responsibility. Because of its creative strategy, GM is positioned to lead this shift by providing a substitute that immediately appeals to customers who are looking for greener solutions without sacrificing convenience or performance. By taking aim at established firms who could be unwilling to invest extensively in new technologies or slower to adapt due to legacy systems or budgetary constraints, this strategic turn could completely change the dynamics of the industry. With a novel product like a compressed air engine, GM could seize this growing market sector at an early stage and establish itself as a leader in the industry, while also changing consumer perceptions of what makes a practical car in an environmentally conscious era. Number 1. Competitive edge. With rivals potentially investing primarily in battery technologies or fossil fuel-dependent hybrid systems, GM's distinct focus on compressed air engines could give it a significant competitive edge in an increasingly crowded market where manufacturers are fighting for domination in electric vehicle technology. While many businesses are pursuing related paths in electric mobility, such as improvements in battery chemistry or electric drivetrains, GM stands out for its unique strategy, which addresses consumer demand for cutting-edge solutions that improve performance without sacrificing sustainability and environmental concerns. This distinction can draw in customers searching for innovative products that fit their ideals for performance and sustainability, as well as investors eager to back progressive businesses dedicated to innovation. Furthermore, having a unique offering like a compressed air engine could position GM favorably against competitors who may find it difficult to meet these evolving demands or find themselves constrained by traditional paradigms as regulatory pressures around emission standards and environmental impact increase globally, forcing many automakers to scramble for compliant solutions. Essentially, GM's proactive approach tries to impact future industry developments in addition to gaining market dominance. GM's dedication to innovation may open the door for consumers all over the world to enjoy a cleaner, safer, and more effective driving experience as the automotive industry develops. If you liked our video, please hit the like button and subscribe to our YouTube channel.